force of habit, though.
Yep. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Awesome. After you, sir. And we'll go. There you go. Right on, yep, kind of on this gray patch, beautiful. Little throttle here, a little more. There you go. Off the throttle and brake. Off the brake and turn. There you go. Full throttle. Off. Brake. There you go. A turn, come off the brake. Good. Now start applying some throttle. Nice and smooth on the throttle. There you go. Nice long turn here.
That was accident.
What's that?
I pressed the gas a little too hard.
Yeah, it's okay. You'll get used to it. Don't worry about it. And remember, this is a wide side, left, and right. Good. Go. All right, now we're going to stay right in the middle of the track here. This is the never-ending turn, okay? So a little maintenance throttle just like this is good. A little bit quicker. We'll squeeze a little bit more on the throttle. A little bit more. There you go. And go. Right to that orange cone, straight ahead. And turn, good, nice. All right, start feeding on the throttle a little bit, and go. Off, good. Brake. Come off the brake and turn. There you go, nice job, very good, buddy, very good. On the throttle.
I think.
What's that?
I got the hang of it, I think.
Yeah, oh, dude. You're stepping right up to it very well. All right, turn. On throttle. Don't touch the brake. You won't need it. Let it coast in. The banking, the little banking helps us turn the car. Yeah. Excellent. Back on the throttle. A little more. There you go. Off the brake, hard left, hard right, and go. Good job, man, good job. You want to feel some G-forces?
Hell yeah.
Go a little bit faster. A little bit faster. And it just sticks.
Yes, sir.
Go. Doesn't it? Love it. Turn down and accelerate. Go. Do some braking. Good. Come off the brake and then turn. Beautiful. Again, drive into that orange cone. Brake a little bit. Good. Turn. Go. Apply some throttle, nice and smooth. There you go. Throttle. Off, brake. All right, turn.
How fast is it? I mean, how easy is it to go off the track if you're not paying attention?
Very easy to go off the track if you're not paying attention. Because it's so fast of a track, it comes up quick, you know. All right, throttle. More. More, and go. Brake. the Ferrari in, okay?
All
Right behind him. Woo!
right. Man.
Man! Worth the drive from North Olmsted, right?
Yes, sir.